Going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to swap out your halogen OEM interior lights to LED. Really simple. All you need actually is just a pry tool and a flathead screwdriver. This is going to be very important because the light bulb that is in here, it's actually really hard to get out. It's in a really tight fit. You'll see as the video progresses. But yeah, I bought this off of eBay. So far everything looks pretty good. I mean, and I like the fact that they actually labeled the packaging, so it tells you which bulb goes where and all that. So yeah, let's get it started. All right, so we'll go ahead and start with the vanity light, the passenger side. It's pretty easy. Pry this out. Slip that out for easier access. You can see all bulbs are actually labeled, so go ahead and get this one installed. It's pretty easy to get the bulb out. What you do is you pull this down. You can pull on either side and release it, and it'll fall right out. And what you're gonna do now, before you reinstall the new bulb, you gotta get this back in shape so that it keeps the bulb in place. So after you do that, you make sure that the LED side is facing to the front of the holder. So put this in, and it's pretty easy. You slide it in, make sure that it's there. So after you've installed the bulb, you slide this back on. I mean, there's no two-way to do it, so it's really plug and play. We're gonna go ahead and reinstall this. And there you go. All right, so now it's time for this guy right here. So we already got this one changed. Now it's time for this one. Let's go ahead and pop this out. So there's a trick to this. You have to pry it from this side right here. There you go. You're gonna need your flathead screwdriver. There we go. Shoot. Before we close everything up, of course you want to know if it works. So there we go. There we go. So like there is also one in the glove compartment. So we're gonna go ahead and get that swap out as well. So here's the package for the glove box. I don't know, but for some reason I feel like this one is gonna be a little bit tricky because of how the LED is actually shaped, where the connectors are. But we're gonna go ahead and see how that goes. There we go. Okay, so go ahead and gonna disconnect this one. So I found a different angle for the camera, and that's what I'm using now. These bulbs are really hot. So we're getting access to the bulb itself. It's pretty easy. Use like a small flathead again. Flip that out, and there you go. And again, you're gonna need a flathead definitely to do this, because we're getting out the bulb itself. You can see there's really no access to it, so get a flathead and push that out, and should pop right out just like that. There we go. It's pretty much plug and play. Push that in right there. And yeah, so that's that. All right, now it's time for the rear dome and map lights. And like I said, the packaging is really great because you get for every specific light that you're gonna change, it's actually labeled. So it's now time for changing this one. Well, that one took a little bit longer than expected, but so this is how the rear one is. And I think for this one you're gonna need the flathead more than anything else. So you go from side to side, as gentle as possible, and bulb should just pop right out. There we go. Packaging is really good. You can see license plate.
I did eventually install the bulbs on the license plate lights, but unfortunately, because it was daytime, I couldn't get a good shot. But if you want to see that, please let me know in the comments below.